Hello traders, this is Forex Nelson. I'm back again today with another 5 trades. Today's date is March the 1st and I'm using my new Magic Scalper trading system. This system uses Heikin-Ashi candles on the top, and also I use the Super Signal Indicator. That's the one with the arrows here. It'll give an audio alert and a pop-up box. As you see, this pop-up box suggesting either to buy or sell. Now every morning at 6 o'clock New York time, I'm in front of the computer right where this vertical line is, looking at all the different instruments, both Forex and the futures. And I'm also taking a look at my daily trade plan. Now once I make a decision I want to be buying or selling, I will manually put in this white arrow. Now here is my daily trade plan. It's an expert advisor. It's running in real time. It checks out all the time frames from the 30 minutes all the way up to the monthly, analyzes it. It'll either say up or down, or as you see here in the white, it's flat. Now once it adds up all the values, it'll show in the comments here whether to look for bearish trades, bullish trades, or if it's just not enough strength. Now if you're trading without some kind of a daily trade plan, well, that is one very good reason why you are still struggling. As my mentor told me many years, the reason why a lot of traders fail is because they are trading without any kind of a daily trade plan. Now if you have any questions or you're interested in buying this daily trade plan, well, just get in contact with me. Okay, now we can run a check on these trades. I bought everything here. I focus mostly today on the futures and the indexes, as they move a lot more and they pay a lot more. But you can trade using my Magic Scalper on anything that your MT4 broker will offer you. If you can get it within the market watch, then you can pull up the charts and you can trade it. Remember, my systems only work on the MT4 platform. Okay, on this first trade I did, Euro Yen, let's see where I got in at. Now at one point I was up a few pips here. Wouldn't break the top here, and as you can clearly see, it's just going sideways. So this turned into a small loser. That's what I teach. Keep your losers as small as possible and let your winners run. That's exactly what I did again today. So I closed it out here. Looks like this turned into a negative 11 pips, and that's why you see a minus $79. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, which is the crude oil. This one pays $10 for each tick, so looking at the money, easy to see that this is 75. So let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Everything looking great. This one did qualify for a great way to trade. So there's your arrow, daily trade plan, plenty of things saying it's going to go up. And what did I say? It should be around 75. There it is right there, 75 ticks, and that paid out $750. Moving right along to the next trade, which is the S&P 500. Okay, let's check out this trade on this S&P 500. Drag and drop this up. Arrow from the daily trade plan, super signal, everything top and bottom looking good for going up. So I pulled the trigger at this cursor and I closed it out here. Now I used a calculator, took the money divided by 5, as it pays $5 on each tick. So calculator says it should be 167. There it is right there, 167 ticks, and that paid out $837. Okay, moving on to the next trade I did, which is the NASDAQ. This one pays $20 for each tick, so I took the money, divided by 20. Calculator says it's approximately 80, so let's go and look for those ticks. Again, everything looking great for going up. All the arrows, and down at the bottom was perfect. So let's go and look for those 80. There it is right there. You remove the last two digits, so it's 80 ticks, and that paid out $1,610. Remember, you'll be needing a lot of education, and that's exactly what I provide, is a lot of education if you wish to succeed at trading. And of course, after you buy from me, I do get support, and without support, there's very good chance you will still fail at trading. Of course, if you leave your name and email address, I'll put you on my email list for free weekly trading tips. So moving on to the last trade, which is the Russell. Russell pays $10 for each tick. Looking at the money, easy to see this should be 175 ticks. Drag and drop this up. Everything was looking good for going up. Pull the trigger at this point right here. And it's still going, by the way. So I took the trade at this cursor. And like I said, I closed it out here. Happy with those 175. There it is right there, 175 ticks. And that paid out $1,750. Trading is easy, and it's a lot of fun, at least it is for me. And after you learn how to trade the markets, and after you get the proper education and a good system, eventually trading will become easy and a lot of fun for you also. Have an extra minute, I want to show you one of the packages below this video. It's called Fibonacci Master Tool. Here it is right here. You would just click on this tab. You would go from swing low. As soon as you see a pullback, you would put it on the high, on the swing pivot high. There's your pullback. It hit entry 3, and as a general rule, if it goes to 1, 2, or 3, it should make the target of 2, 3, 4, 5, which is exactly what it hit today. And of course, it is still early enough, especially for the futures. It can keep going, and it could go all the way up to 10. This tool is much better than the one that's in the MT4 platform. Fibonacci works mainly because of the fact that millions of traders all over the world are using Fibonacci. If you're new at trading, you don't know too much about Fibonacci, well, just Skype me. I can show you and answer your questions on Skype screen sharing. In the package, it comes complete. It's a full course along with 30 training videos showing you many trade examples and exactly how to use this fib tool. This tool actually shows and teaches you how to trade the flow of the market, which is what I also teach within the training videos. So another great day of trading using my magic scalper. Great way to end the week. I knew it was going to be well over 200 pips and or ticks. Grand total came to 486 pips and ticks. They were mostly all ticks. And all of those ticks ended up paying out $4,867. So if your system's not producing, like my magic scalper, I recommend you get your hands on it, and don't forget about the daily trade plan. So if you have any questions or you want to buy anything at all, quite simple. All you got to do is get in contact with me. Now, all you have to do is look right below this video. You'll see a banner, the word more. Just click on it. Another window will open up. It'll show you all my contact information plus a lot of other information. Now you can easily just pick up the phone and call me. If you live too far, well, just send me an email. I really do prefer Skype, so I made a link. All you got to do is click on it. Even if you think you don't have Skype, well, if you're doing that on a computer or a cell phone, Skype will load. At that point, we will have a connection, and at that point, I will be able to answer all your questions. Now in the description, you'll also see 4 different packages. I do charge $250 for each package, and I do have a special offer at the moment. If you buy any of the 2 packages, I'll give you one of the other 2 for free. So, looks like it's just about time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.